Hi there! In this video we start learning about relative links. First of all, let's create the folder for our site. Let's just call it Site. Now, let's create the main document for our site. For that we go to Sublime Text, create a new file, and save it in the Site folder, and call the file index.html. Now, let's create the basic layout for any page. First, you write doctype HTML. Then the main wrapper tag for the entire page, which is HTML. Then, inside we got the head tag and the body tag. And in the head tag, we got title, and also we need the tag that specifies the coding, meta-charset UTF-8. As the title, let's write relative links. In the body tag, we'll add a heading using H1, something like homepage. Let's open the page in the browser. For that, you right-click and then select Open in Browser. As you see, here we have the title and here we have our H1. So it all works. But this is only one page. Usually sites have several pages. So let's create another page. For that, we go to File, New File, and save it next to the index.html file. We'll call it page2.html. As you remember, we can't have spaces in the names of files, so that's why we use a hyphen. Now, let's copy the basic structure from the first file, and we will paste it into page2.html. Change the title to page 2. Also change H1 to page 2. Let's check it. We have both the title and the heading. So it also works. So now we have two pages, index.html and page2.html. But they aren't connected in any way. So let's link them. First, we'll create a link from the home page to page 2. In order to do that, under the heading in index.html, we'll add a p tag with the text "Go to page 2." Refresh the page, and now we have the text "Go to page 2." But since this text is only in a p tag, it's not a link. Let's wrap it in an a tag to make it a link. So now the text is the text of the a tag. But what should we write for href? Previously, when we wrote links, we wrote them to external websites. So we would write https or http, : 2 slashes, and so on. But how do you write the path to another page on our website? Remember, if you want to link to another page that's located in our sites folder, you do the same you would do with images saved in our folder. Links that link to other pages on the same site are called relative links, that is relative to our own site, whereas links to other sites are called absolute links. Let's write the path from our page to page 2. To do this the right way, let's consider the structure of our website real quick. We have a file called index.html, which is the main page, and a page called page2.html. As you see, these two are located in the same folder on the same level. So to get from one file to the other in this case, we don't really have to do anything special. They're already next to each other. So in href, we just write the name of the file we're linking to, page 2 that is. So let's write page2.html. Refresh the page. Now you see it's a link. Click on it. Now we're at page 2. So the link worked. Now let's link page 2 with the home page. For that, we open page2.html. And once again, under the heading, in a p tag, let's create an a tag. As the text, let's write back to home page. And what do we write for href this time? It's the exact same thing. We just do the opposite. Write the name of index.html, and that's it. Save and refresh. As you see, we have a link now. If we click on it, we get back to the home page. So this way, we can navigate between the two pages as much as we want. That's it. Bye bye.